to Granny C's kitchen. Today I will be cooking curry chicken and white rice. Been stirring the curry so it doesn't get too lumpy, and then I added the spring onion. And the reason for mixing the curry into the spice, because the curry has to be well cooked. You don't want it to be too lumpy before you add the meat to the curry. Notice the fire is on high at the moment, but I'm gonna turn the fire down now and cover it and let it cook in its own juice. Let it sort of steam. Don't want it to get too soft, so, and by then I'll add the water as it goes by, small amounts each time. See what the chicken is doing here now. I'm just turning from the bottom to the top so that everything combines together. Okay, we'll come back in a while, in another 10 minutes again. Then I might have to add some water. On my curry, and I'm taking again, starting from the bottom to the top. Notice it's coming down. See the color of the gravy. So just as not to get it sticking to the bottom. I am trying to hide my broken handle of my pot, but this is years old and it dropped and it got broken. But this is what I use on my curry pot. So excuse me, please. what is giving it the gravy is just natural because of the seasoning and everything. I think it was about 2 little baby pieces. So it depends on what you want and what you like to desire. So I'm going to leave that to cook again some more. I'll be back. Now I've just switched my pot of curry chicken off, and now I need to show you my gravy. See how thick and nice the gravy is without a lot of cornstarch or the other things that you use to thickening agent. So now I'm going to dish my dinner on the plate. I like curry with a little bones. I like bones. Plain meat is just not my style. They do like the gravy on top of the rice, but it's optional. It all depends on what the individual likes, and that's curry must have a lot of gravy.